How to set up realistic scenes in AI videos. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google and then search intangible.ai. After you've searched intangible.ai, you will find this kind of screen. Click on Get Started for free. Now you'll find this kind of screen. At the bottom, simply type in what you want to add. I've simply added a field of grass, and grass has been added. Now I'm going to type in add a herd of elephants, and it will add elephants in here. And after that, you're good to go. This is how to set up realistic scenes in AI videos. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.